Welcome to this video. We are going to look at the electrochemistry tutorial 2. This is a question, very interesting question. Let's go together. Given the E cell, so the cell potentials, okay, for the copper electrode and the zinc electrode, we are told to calculate the standard cell potential as well as to state whether the reaction is spontaneous. Now, how do we know how to calculate the standard cell potential? Here's what you know, what you do. This is an example of a voltaic cell, actually. Okay, a voltaic cell. The common one is a Daniell cell. Yeah, usually these are spontaneous in nature, but let's not assume. Let's do the correct thing. Okay, so allow me to bring this friend of mine here. Then I can start from here. Can do the calculations from here. It's a very simple question. Okay, so when you are finding the standard cell potential known as the E cell, okay, you always get the cell potential, okay, of the cathode, subtract the cell potential of the anode. This is for a voltaic cell, like a Daniell cell. Okay, it's very simple like that. So for a Daniell cell, or let me say for a voltaic cell, the cathode is always at high potential. Why? Because there is always a gain of electrons taking place there. So which one is at high potential depends on the nature of the cell that you are dealing with. If it is a voltaic cell or the electrolytic cell. Since this is a voltaic cell, the cathode is at higher potential. As you can see, this one is at higher potential as compared to this one, meaning this is our cathode. Okay, and then this one is what? Our anode. So we are going to get positive 0.34 minus, then you open the bracket, then negative 0.76, and end up having 0.34, 0.76. So what is our E cell? Our E cell is just 1.10 volts. Tell me if this is difficult. It's not, right? Just ask yourself which one is at high potential. You start with it. Number 2, whether the reaction is spontaneous. Now, you can tell if the reaction is spontaneous when the standard cell potential is greater than 0. Now check our E cell, all right, is 1.1, right? And this is greater than what? 0. And by this nature, once you find that your E cell is greater than 0, that reaction is what? Spontaneous. Okay? That's all. And you're done. Don't forget to follow this page, subscribe, and share to others.